Hello friends, good day to all of you. Now the mango season is here, so let's make and enjoy some delicious recipes with the mango, the king of fruits. I really love mangoes. So today's recipe is no cook recipe, no cook dessert from Karnataka and Maharashtra region. It is called Rasayana in Karnataka, while Mumbaikars call it Aambyaachi Shikaran. Basically it is amras. Mango pulp is extracted and then you add some milk or coconut milk to it and sweeten it with jaggery or sugar, and for flavoring we add little cardamom powder. I personally love the one with coconut milk. That tastes much better, I think. So you can try out both if you want. So let's proceed to make mango rasayana or Aambyaachi Shikaran.
Mango Rasayana or Aambyaachi Shikaran, a simple and delectable dessert which is made in minutes. We have taken 3 mangoes and half a cup of coconut milk we'll use as required, 2 to 3 pinches of cardamom powder, 2 teaspoons of jaggery powder, you can use sugar also if you wish to, and a pinch of salt, which is optional but it balances the flavors. Now first we will cut the mangoes into halves and scoop out the flesh. These are Alfonso mangoes, a speciality of Maharashtra. They are very sweet and I don't think we'll require much jaggery to sweeten them. You can take any mangoes that are available in your region. Now this is the way these days we make mango rasayana or shikaran, but the rustic way is totally different. They select a small variety of mangoes, those are very juicy, and the juice is squeezed out into the coconut milk along with the seeds. The seeds also are immersed in the coconut milk. So along with rasayana, even this fleshy juicy seeds are also relished. Interesting, isn't it? We are almost done. With this quantity, we'll get 2 servings. Here we go. Now transfer all these into a larger dish so that we can blend them. Add all the ingredients, add coconut milk. I am only adding half, which is about 1/4 cup, and a pinch of salt, 2 pinches of cardamom powder, little bit we'll save for garnishing, and about 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. That should be sufficient for these Alfonso mangoes. However, you can taste and add if it is required later. Blend them. Hand blender is a very easy gadget for this. The consistency can be adjusted according to your preference. I like it thicker. So now this is done. We are going to taste it. It's perfect. Check the taste and add if jaggery is required. No, I think it's sufficient. Now we can dish it out. In Karnataka, this rasayana is traditionally served with neer dosa or idiappam. There is also another version called cut mango rasayana. In that we use tiny pieces of mango instead of puree. Even that should be nice. Now sprinkle little cardamom powder on top if you wish to. And it's ready to be served. You can enjoy it chilled or even at room temperature also, it tastes good. You can also serve it along with your meals as a side dish. It tastes good with puris also. Friends, time to show some love. Do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Check out these videos from the archives. You may have missed them. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you soon.